welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this really cute blue glitter with black flame nail art using nail stencils from What's Up Nails, available on Amazon. The first stencils I purchased are their Thorns design, and you get 2 sheets and 24 stencils for $4.75 plus $2.95 for shipping. The next design that I got is their Rose Petals. You get 1 sheet and 15 stencils, again for $3.75 plus the $2.95 for shipping. And the last stencils that I purchased are their Fire design. You get 1 sheet and 15 stencils for $3.75 plus the $2.95 for shipping. And as a bonus to my purchase, they also sent me 2 of their Moroccan nail stickers as well for free. With my purchase, they also sent me a detailed list of instructions on how to apply the stencil, the polish, and how to make sure that my design comes out perfect. Since I will be using glitter for this nail art tutorial, I'm first protecting my cuticles and the surrounding skin around my nails with the Pueen peel off latex tape. Since the method I use to apply the glitter by pressing it on with a sponge, I have a really hard time getting it off. So this latex tape really helps because when I'm done, all I have to do is peel it off and there's no mess. As a base for my glitter, I'll be using the SassyChic nail polish in the shade 903. It doesn't actually have a name on it, but it is a beautiful blue. And I picked this up from Dollar Tree for $1. I didn't even know SassyChic had nail polishes, but it's a really good polish. I ended up using 2 coats for maximum opacity, and overall, I really like this nail polish. Now I'm using a SassyChic Cosmetic wedge, also available at Dollar Tree. You get 28 for $1, to apply the Pure Ice nail polish in the shade Wide Awake. After my nails were thoroughly dried, I applied a thin layer of the LA Colors Color Last top coat to smooth out the glitter so the stencil would adhere better to my nails. Now it's time for the fun part, which is creating the flame design. And the polish I'm using is the LA Colors Color Last nail polish in the shade Onyx. These stencils were easy to apply despite the fact that it got stuck to my tweezers. Once I got the stencil where I wanted it, I just made sure to press it down evenly all over so that none of the black polish would seep through. Now I'm applying my black polish, and I'm making sure to get over the entire stencil so that the flames can come out as detailed as possible. The instructions state that you should remove the stencil as soon as you're done applying your polish. They were very easy to remove as well, and you just want to be careful with this step so you don't mess up your design. I'm going to moisturize my cuticles with the Home and Body Co. Rose Body Oil. I picked this up from Burlington for $6. This oil is extremely moisturizing and it smells so good. My nails are all done. I decided to shoot a short clip of them outside just so you loves could see the detail of the design. I will make sure to leave all of the products listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!